So this is how a TIG torch works, a finger control. There's two kinds of finger controls. There's the one with the knob where it's variable. It acts just like a pedal, except for it's a finger control. And the other kind are the on-off switch. So this is an on-off switch. Actually, this is from a torch that had a built-in finger control, and I cut off the finger control part. You can see a picture here. So all the finger controls are, from what I've seen, are, if you look at the inside of the connector, let me put the light. You can see there's only 2 pins, so there's only 2 wires going through this cord back to the finger control, and only 2 pins are used. So this, so let's open up the actual switch and see what's inside. It is very simple, only 2 wires, so you can extend them. You can, like I had a 20-foot long, what is this, a hose, TIG cable, and the finger control, I think it was only, the original torch this was on was only about, I think, 10 feet. So I cut this off, made my own cord to match this, which is, I think, 20 feet or 15. I'm not sure, I don't remember, but let's open this up. Okay, I removed the screws, and I'm gonna have to cut back this tape here, actually. Okay, so there's the button, just to push, or the plastic cover. So remember, this was part of a TIG torch, so the usual TIG finger controls, they don't look like this. They're usually black with a spring, a button that pushes down. There's a spring under it, and I've never seen inside one of those, but I'm guessing it looks exactly, almost exactly like this. So it's opened. Let me remove this. Okay, so here's the board, and you can see there's only 2 wires, 2 leads that go up to the switch. That's all it is. This is a momentary switch, so that means that you have to put pressure on it for it to make for it to close, and when you release pressure, it opens. So you push down, its circuit's closed, you release, and it's open. Push down, closed, release, open. It doesn't click and stay in place, and then you have to click again. It doesn't work like that. You just push down, hold, TIG torch is on, let go, and it's off. So if you ever have a problem with this switch, what you can do is just jump these 2 joints right here and see if your machine turns on, then you know that the actual machine's working fine, and the switch, there's something wrong with it. So we'll do that. I'll jump these, and you can see how it activates the gas solenoid, but my gas is not hooked up, the ground's not hooked up, and the torch is not hooked up. We're just gonna hook up the switch for this. So here's the connector, gonna plug it in. Machine is on. It's very loud, but you should be able to hear the gas solenoid activating when I jump it. So here's the switch. I'm gonna jump it with the knife. Or, well, actually, I'll press the button so you can see how it works. Okay, so if there was something wrong with this area, I could just jump these two solder joints. So So if you do have a problem with this switch, this thing is cheap to replace. You can replace it with any kind of momentary switch. You could also just cut the wires off. You can connect it to like a light switch from Home Depot. Any kind of switch. Doesn't really matter. Well, for me it doesn't. I just tape it to the TIG torch anyway. So that's it. That's how that works, and easy to test, and simple to do. Okay, thank you for watching.